There you go. I'm on the Rip Fusion live stream, living a nice dream. Kindle on the line, rhythmical with my rhyme scheme. When I'm getting really cloudy, I get lit up like a match. Debugging my brain with the punchline patch. Going rather silly with my broken Franglish. Uploading my flow to the cloud, then I vanish. Shelly people salty cause I made the staff pics. Watch it on YouTube while I'm sharing all my tricks. Haters be tagging me, shaking they fists, while others adding me to their friend list.
Yo, it's me, Supercar.
I'm cooking, getting specific with this thing. Floating point style, baking wood to make the sound distinct. I spit recursion while I'm deep in the loop, turning thoughts into fire like I'm training a group. Got the thoughts in the mire, now they move with grace. Let me see them bubbly butts shaking at the right pace.
There you go.
There you go, go. There you go. Bacon wood, floating point style, hit it with my spirit. Philosophical, lyrical individual. I make tracks with my floating point pivotal. Method to my madness, get smashed and radical. Manifest digital, flows getting technical. Spectrum analytics on my verbal acrobatics. Spectrum sample through the silicon and plastic. I'm catching all vibes, capture like a Pokemon. Shang Tsung technique, then I bend it to my song. Strain conscious snaps, strange substance perhaps. Mind expanding like a wave function collapse. Intrusive thoughts when my perception overlaps. I got the Peterson shadow boxing when I relapse with the stacks of reading. Maps of meaning. Back in church, I go from brags to kneeling. Cracks revealing what the mask was sealing. Past concealed all the past I walk. You feeling? So there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Thinking wood, floating point style, hit it with my spirit. Wood, floating point style, hit it with my spirit.
Tomorrow, following beats that shake the floor. Your eyes are wild, your smile is hollow. You dance faster, begging for more. La la la, hey, hey. The drums are calling, ancient and deep. The crowd is falling, the crowd is falling into the heat. Are we dancing or drowning? Tell me now. Somehow, hey, hey, hey. The walls are shaking, systems failing, but you just laugh and raise your hands. The bass is breaking, future fading. Still we move to tribal commands. La la la, hey, hey. The rhythm's taking control of me. We lose ourselves in intensity. La la la, hey, hey. Look at us now, spinning faster, moving harder, like it's the last night of the last days of the last chance to feel alive.